Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Is VoiceOver on your iPhone stuck on even when the screen is locked? Don't panic. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you two simple ways to turn off VoiceOver, whether you use Siri or need to do it manually. Let's dive in. When VoiceOver is enabled, navigating your iPhone is a bit different. You tap once to select an item, then double tap to activate it. To display the lock screen, hold down the bottom of the screen, then push your finger upwards. Once on the lock screen, to enter your passcode, tap a number once to select it,
Passcode 9.
then double tap to confirm. In my case, my passcode is 981919, so I tap the 9 key once, then double tap to confirm it. I do the same for each digit.
You at 1. 9.
After that, my iPhone unlocks. Now, the fastest way to turn off VoiceOver is with Siri. Just say, "Hey Siri, turn off VoiceOver." Siri will confirm, and VoiceOver will be disabled instantly, returning your iPhone to normal navigation. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more tech tips like this. But what if Siri is off or unavailable? No worries, here's how to turn off VoiceOver manually. After unlocking your iPhone using the tap and double tap method with your passcode, you're on the home screen. Find the Settings app, tap it once to select, then double tap to open. In Settings, scroll to Accessibility, tap once to select, then double tap to enter. Now, find VoiceOver, tap once, then double tap to open. Finally, tap the VoiceOver toggle once, then double tap to turn it off. That's it, your iPhone is back to normal. So, to recap, use Siri for the quickest fix, or go through Settings for the manual method. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.